Nozbe is a popular productivity and time management tool, but before you invest in it, there are 12 key things you absolutely need to know to ensure it's the right choice for you. Stick around because, by the end, we'll also share an alternative solution that might be a better fit for your needs. First, Nozbe focuses on simplicity. It's built to streamline team collaboration with task-based workflows. If you're coming from complex tools like Asana or ClickUp, you might appreciate how clean and straightforward it is. However, if you're looking for advanced customizations or integrations, you might find Nozbe a bit limited in comparison. Next thing, Nozbe's shared project feature is its backbone. Every task can be shared, assigned, and commented on by your team. Unlike Trello, which uses boards, Nozbe organizes everything into simple task lists. This structure works well for small teams, but can feel restrictive for larger organizations managing multiple projects simultaneously. The third thing is task templates. These are great for repetitive workflows, such as onboarding or regular reporting. While Nozbe offers solid templates, apps like Monday.com take this to the next level with more robust automation options. Fourth, Nozbe's pricing is team-friendly. Its plans are affordable compared to platforms like Jira, especially for smaller teams. But keep in mind, it lacks a free plan for personal users, so if you're on a tight budget, options like Todoist or Notion might offer more flexibility. Next, Nozbe is cross-platform. You can use it on desktops, smartphones, and even through a web browser. While this is great for accessibility, some users report the mobile app can feel less intuitive than its competitors like Todoist or Things 3. Another key thing is its focus on time management. Nozbe encourages users to prioritize tasks using deadlines and categories. While this is helpful, it doesn't have a built-in calendar like ClickUp or a visual timeline like Rike, which may be a deal breaker if you prefer visual planning. The seventh point is its integration capabilities. Nozbe integrates with popular apps like Google Calendar, Dropbox, and Evernote. However, it doesn't have the depth of integration that Zapier Connected Tools or Notion provide, which can limit your workflow flexibility. Next thing, collaboration is a strength. Nozbe's team chat and task comments reduce the need for external tools like Slack. But if real-time communication is essential, standalone tools like Microsoft Teams or Slack still offer a more robust experience. The ninth thing to know is its offline functionality. Nozbe allows you to work offline, syncing changes once you're back online. This feature is a lifesaver in areas with poor connectivity and isn't something all competitors prioritize. Another important thing is its learning curve. Nozbe is easy to grasp, making it ideal for non-technical teams. However, if you're used to the customization of tools like ClickUp or Airtable, Nozbe's simplicity might feel limiting. 11th, security is solid. Nozbe offers encryption and privacy-focused features, which is comparable to most competitors. However, enterprise-level security might still favor apps like Rike or Smartsheet. Finally, Nozbe lacks native time tracking. While you can track time through integrations, it's not built in like in tools such as Toggle or TickTick, which may be frustrating if you rely heavily on this feature. So, is Nozbe worth it? It's a good choice for small teams or individuals who value simplicity over complexity. But if you're looking for a solution with more customization, robust integrations, or advanced features, check out our recommended alternative. It's free to try and could be a better fit for your productivity needs.